Subscribe to Fit Whips.
Here in the G80 with Mr. Yusuf. We are heading to Pennsylvania to go to MPact. It is going to be super fun. We're doing 600 miles to get there in the G80 that makes 720-ish wheel horsepower. So that's about 800 to the crank. So the question will be, how much money will we spend on gas? What's the mile per gallon in this thing? How much gas mileage does this thing actually get? And is it comfortable in a G80? As you can imagine, it would be a hell of a lot comfortable to drive in this car to Pennsylvania than my E92 with pole positions or my E82 with Sportsters. Probably not as bad in the Sportsters, but both of those cars would not be as enjoyable. You're probably also wondering why I didn't bring either of those cars. I didn't decide to come to MPact until like a week ago. It's a little too late to bring either of my cars. So Yusuf was kind enough to drive and let me hop in his car so I can at least go to the show and show you guys what's going on and meet everyone and make some cool films. So today's video, we're gonna see how this car is for road tripping. Yusuf has driven this car quite a bit. How many miles does this car have?
Well, now it's 35,000.
35,000 miles on a G80. Is this the highest mileage G80? No. There's gotta be way higher mileage.
I found one with 60,000 miles.
60,000 miles?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So we are still in North Carolina right now. We have the first meetup spot in about 30 minutes where we basically have two meetup spots along the way, along our route, where we're meeting up with other people and then cruising up there. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, man. I can't wait to see everyone at MPact. Dude, I got a ton of you guys who've been reaching out. Can't wait to meet you guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun. A lot of good vendors too that are gonna be there at this show. Cool parts, cool connections, and then of course racing, which is gonna be super sick. I get to review a bunch of sick cars. It's gonna be a great weekend. So huge shout out to this guy for driving and letting me tag along in his car, man, because
wait, I thought you said you're gonna pay for gas.
Oh, you thought I had money? I am splitting gas with him. I am actually curious. I'm actually really curious to see how much gas this is gonna take. When you go to the Key show, how many hours is that?
It's about 8 hours.
8 hours. So it's about the same. It's about the same as that. It's about 8.5 hours to go to MPact.
You probably need to fill up once.
Yeah, fill up once. So it really won't be that bad. Are you on an E-Blend tune right now?
It's like probably E25.
E25. So you're burning off the rest of the E and then going over to 93.
So now I'm going 93.
Nice. Is this on Flex?
It's flex fuel.
Yeah, so it's flex fuel. So it doesn't have to do anything, that's a super nice thing about having flex fuel. You can basically just run all your E out and throw in your 93 and just keep driving. You don't have to like reflash or any of that stuff. So definitely makes a whole lot of sense. We will catch up with you guys at the first meet spot and we're just gonna kind of talk about, I don't know, how comfortable this car actually is. Obviously, as you can imagine, it's a G80, it's newer, it's got all the tech that you need. It's super easy to drive, super comfortable, but from a gas mileage standpoint, it's pretty interesting because some people think these cars are really good on gas.
I've had it on cruise control the whole time.
Yeah. So, but we'll see how much, what kind of mile per gallon we get. Anyways, we'll catch up with you guys in the next spot. What's your forte? Just dropped that new video. Threw some new wheels on the M5. Check out these Bosons. What do y'all think? Pretty fire, dude. I think they look really good. So that's what we're at right now. 27 miles per gallon, which is actually fine.
My average so far is 20.
20.
Yeah.
Yeah, so not the best. I mean, not terrible, but not the best. Fill up number one. Techno Violet Jar Edition with the Dravit. We got Mr. Forte over here with his new wheels, his new Vossen wheels. I think these actually look way better than the BC Forged. Look at how crazy these are. God damn, bro. That's nuts. We got another one over here. This is actually a different individual purple with the gold TEs. Shit looks sick. I feel left out because I don't have a G80.
So the way I feel about them is that they're nice, but I don't know, like previous ones you had kind of fit what you're doing with the car. They're nice wheels.
They're a little bit more. They're a little bit more muted. I think it's about because the other ones are two-piece wheels. So two-piece wheels naturally have a little bit more aggression to them than like a monoblock. So
Yeah. So, hey, so
like,
when you're done with this, you have to put it back.
oh yeah.
So this goes back here.
Oh, I didn't know
You
that.
actually don't keep it in there.
I thought you just drive off. Cause that's what I got these for.
I know that's what you would think you would do because of past things that you've done. You actually put this back. It stays with the gas station.
Oh, okay.
You thought when you paid for gas that you bought this.
You get it's all you buy it all, right?
No.
Hold on, let's. And then, oh, okay. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
good job.
I forgot all about that.
Welcome back, dude. Are you excited for MPact?
Yes, very excited, man.
you racing?
Yes, I got some E in the tank.
I smell it.
So, anybody want that Gap sauce? Nah, let me chill. There's gonna be some super fast cars out here. There's gonna be super fast cars. I don't want no smoke.
Yeah, they're gonna
it's all fun. It's all fun.
First gas stop, we spent 50, what was it, 60 bucks? Like
But I
60
still
bucks.
had like maybe 100 miles left.
Yeah, so it wasn't a full fill up, but I think this trip is really only like one full fill up, right?
Yeah.
In between. So the next spot we drive another 2.5. So we drove about 2.5 hours, right? And then we drive another 2.5 hours, and we're at a spot, and then we have another 2.5 hours, and we're basically at the hotel, the destination. So got some really cool cars, man. We got one Jare edition G80 that is a Techno Violet. So like the same paint code that's from the E36 and Techno. It looks so freaking good, dude. And the G80, it looks amazing. And then the other purple is, what is that color? Twilight. That's my first time ever seeing that in person. It looks freaking amazing. He's on the gold TE 37s. That combination with the purple looks stunning.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's James because he was closing in. I was trying to call and tell him, hey, slow down, because I know he was trying to play catch up, but it's probably too late. I'm pretty sure it's in because I saw that green.
Did you call out?
Yeah, it's my first time going up there, so I'm trying to figure out. Usually when I go up, I take 80. Yes.
Hello?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we just got pulled over.
Yeah, because I gave the warning on the walkie-talkie thing.
Did you get in a ticket?
I literally just hit the gas. My car
It sounds like it, because it sounds like the speed limit was 60 and we were going to 81.
Damn.
Yeah, so we're currently on the side of the interstate.
Damn it. Virginia doesn't play, man.
So we tried to give the warning about the undercover cop, but it was too late. Because James is too fast.
James was playing catch up, wasn't he?
Yeah.
So he's playing catch up, and he was going 81 in a 60 in Virginia with a state trooper on a bike. who was lasering people.
Like-
and we saw him, and then we tried to walkie-talkie back, like, yo.
standing on the side of the road like this.
Yeah. Just all aggressive. We tried to walkie-talkie back to him, and it was too late. Marvin was saying that if you get over 80 in Virginia, they pop you with reckless driving, which I hope that isn't the case for him. I got that once. Not fun. RIP, first one down, first casualty. Let's hope it's the last.
Hey John, the sun is hitting your side, so it's getting a little bit warmer. Would you like me to turn the ventilated seats on for you?
Please do.
Yeah, sure. There you go. There you
Oh,
go.
wow.
You're welcome.
It's like AC for your back and butt.
It is. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah, my E92 has this.
Yeah.
Imagine if the pole positions just had AC in them.
We can make it happen.
Yeah, sure. Just cut a bunch of holes in it, put a fan underneath. Dude, this actually is really nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I loved it when I went down into Invasion in Florida. It was perfect. Like, I had my windows down.
I've never felt this before.
Yeah.
Wow.
It feels like
this is really nice.
Little air bubbles just kind of.
Like, you don't realize how warm you are until you turn that on, and you're like, holy shit.
Like little
Let's
air
say.
bubbles, just, you know.
Maybe time to get a G80, huh?
Yeah.
New title, time for another G80.
Yeah.
And gone. There goes your great gas mileage. There goes that gas mileage, buddy.
No, we're at 29.1 right now.
29.1. Nice.
Yo,
Hey, man.
I think they like G80s. I think they like G80s. I'm not sure, but I think they do. All right, fire up that ventilated seat, my guy. It's nice. One full tank in the car so far. Got all the guys lined up. All of these different colors. It's Convict. Convict over here. Bro, keep it slow it down.
Hey, five star wanted level.
Slow it down for me, all right?
You better clean that. Yo, look at it. You can see it. Fucking cop with his hand all over the window.
That's crazy.
Subscribe to Fit Whips.
Are you guys subscribed?
No, I will.
You better be. And the whole gas station came outside. We're going crazy for the G80s. Now I really do have to get a G80 after going on this try. I just used it as a clickbaity title before, but now I guess I have to buy one.
It's gonna happen.
This lineup, bro. There you go. Oh, come on. Give it to him. Give him sauce. Bye-bye. Pennsylvania is gracing us with wet weather, but we made it.
Yes.
After, what, 8.5 hours or so of driving.
Say 10 hours now.
10 hours with stops and everything.
Stops.
Yeah, we had
one lunch and 2 stops.
Yeah, 1 lunch and 2 stops. But 600 miles, not too bad. Looking at about 30 miles per gallon.
Yeah.
Which honestly, I did not think that that would be the case. I thought that we would be closer to 20. And Mr. Yusuf over here used to own an E92 and a supercharged E90. And he said that when he drove his, was it the E92 or E90? When
The E90, but it was stock.
Yeah, when he drove the E90 stock, it on a longer road trip, it got about 20 miles per gallon. So for some reason, I thought this wouldn't do as well because I've just heard a lot of stories about it not doing great as far as mile per gallon gas mileage. But we did pretty good, even all things considered, with us like kind of messing around and having a little bit of fun with the car. Like, still did really great. And I'll tell you what, man, this car's comfortable. This car would be a hell of a lot more comfortable than the pole positions in my E92. So I'm glad that I got to tag along with Yusuf. Tomorrow, I've got 2 reviews going on, and then Saturday and Sunday is MPact. It's gonna be so much fun. Everyone go thank Yusuf, man, for driving.
Please, 5 stars.
5-star rating for you. That's gonna wrap up this video though. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.